let's draw. Today we're going to draw a laptop.
Why are we going to draw a laptop?
Because I want to show them how to do it.
You want to draw a laptop? Why do we use laptops?
Because we have to call someone.
We call someone with laptops? Do you use a laptop in school sometimes?
Yeah.
Yeah, school's starting soon, huh? What grade are you going to be in?
Pre-K.
Pre-K?
And in October.
Yeah. Ava's going to be in pre-kindergarten, and we're getting ready to do fun back-to-school drawings, and she wanted to do a laptop. So here we go. Thanks for joining us on
Hey kids, let's draw.
Okay, everybody, here goes our laptop drawing, and Ava wants to do a pink laptop. I'm gonna use a gray, kind of a dark gray, but you can use whatever color you want. And I was just thinking, you know what? The worst thing about filming your hands drawing is you have all these gross, crusty marks. So I'm doing a construction project, and I got a lot of glue and dirt on my hands that I can't get off, so I'm a little embarrassed today. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's use our fine point marker to do our laptop, and you're gonna do pink. So first of all, we're gonna do a straight line over. Okay, and that's gonna be the middle of our laptop. And we're gonna go up and up. And let's connect that. This will be the top of our laptop. So
I'm going to make a big one.
it's kind of a square. Oh, that's a great one. It's kind of a square. And we're gonna do a couple of lines that shoot out from these corners. So watch.
I made a big one.
Good, I love it. So go to this corner and kind of go on the diagonal down. This corner, go on the diagonal and down. Okay, we're gonna connect that. Straight across. And there we have our shape for our laptop. And I'm gonna do little lines straight down. Good.
I'm going to make some holders.
Okay, and this is we're gonna connect these two lines.
I'm going to color in this.
I love your pink laptop. What a cool color for a laptop.
I'm going to
Do they make
color-
pink laptops?
Sometimes.
We need to get one, huh?
Yeah. I'm going to make the pink got colored.
Okay, can you connect the bottom? Like that? Okay, here, let's make a screen. We're gonna do our screen here. So get your pink. Oh, good connection. Good job. Okay, so in here we're gonna do a screen. Let's go up. On the bottom we're gonna go over.
I kind of got it in there.
It's okay. If we mess up or make crooked lines, it's just fine.
Ha.
Good job. Now we're gonna go up again, side.
I know how to make
Oh, you
mine.
did it? You went further than I did. Okay. Connect over there. There's our screen.
I know how to make a square right.
What do laptops have? What do we push with our fingers?
Buttons.
Buttons? Should we make some buttons?
Yeah, I'm going
Okay.
to make some circles.
You want to do some circles? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow that line down. Bring it over. Follow that line down on an angle. And I'm going to connect those two lines right here. Connect. And the laptops we use have a big mouse pad, huh? Right there. Look at those cool buttons. You're doing every button. Go for it.
And that
Keep
one,
going. You're doing good.
That's done.
Okay. So I'm just going to make some lines right here.
I'm going to make this part.
Some horizontal lines. And those are the start of our buttons. And then we can kind of just make some
I'm kind of making
straight lines down.
Ears.
You're making ears?
Yeah.
Whoa, those are cool.
I'm just going to do 2.
And I'm doing lines in between, so I'll bring a line in between the boxes. Kind of like a brick pattern. Okay. Another brick pattern. So the straight lines go down. Big space bar. See how that works? Does that look like a laptop keyboard?
I'm going to make like something that they can hear it more.
What do you want to put on your screen?
I'm going to put a heart on.
You want to do a heart?
Yeah.
Okay. You want red?
I want a purple.
A purple heart?
This one.
Okay. We got our markers. Ava's going to use purple. While she does a purple heart, I'm going to do a face, a fun face, okay? Is that okay with you? Ava?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to get blue. Why not? Let's do a bright blue. I'm going to do a big,
I know how to do a heart.
kind of a teardrop egg.
I know how to do a heart.
Teardrop egg.
I know how to do
This is going to be a surprised computer.
I'm going to do a heart. I know how to do hearts.
And the mouth is kind of another teardrop.
Oh, that's all the hearts I'm going to do.
We're going to do a big circle. Big
I
circle.
got a mommy.
That's okay. And then another circle.
Why is this not coming on?
Oh, you did lots of hearts.
Whoa.
And then another circle in the eye.
Dad,
So
I
there's
can't
one,
get it
2.
off when I wipe it.
Okay. And then I'm going to do...
Wait, Dad, look how I did.
Nice, a purple.
I did it just smush.
A couple eyebrows up here. I'm going to do an arm. It says, hello, everybody. And this arm that says, oh, I'm going down. Maybe he's doing a dance. The laptop dance. And then a foot over here.
That's silly.
Yeah, this is silly. Do laptops have feet?
No.
Okay. There's my silly laptop, and there's your cute pink with purple heart laptop. Should we color this?
No, this one, it has a movie.
Okay, oh, that's a good movie. Let's color it. Ready? Fast forward.
Press forward.